Hello and welcome to Wilmington University. We're so excited that you'll be joining us for our upcoming event. Before the event begins, let's go over a few quick tips to help you make the most of your experience. First, we recommend exploring this event on a desktop computer rather than a mobile device. You'll have the best view of all the features and resources available. Once inside the event, you're in control. Choose where to start and what to explore. Visit our academic colleges to learn about degree and certificate programs and download helpful materials. Stop by admission and financial aid to review admission requirements and discover ways to make your education more affordable. Don't forget to check out Wildcat Country to learn about our student life, athletics, and esports opportunities. Throughout the day, you can also attend live or on-demand information sessions covering key topics. Stop by the auditorium for details. At any point during your experience, you can connect directly with faculty and staff, watch engaging videos, download helpful materials, and even network with other attendees in our networking lounge. We're so glad you're spending part of your day with us. We hope you enjoy discovering all that Wilmington University has to offer. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. We are here to help every step of the way.